Who is? Open the door, please. I am coming. Wait, please. Hello, Sana. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I'm also good, thank you. Please come. Have a seat. Why are you so sad, Sana? Actually, I'm worried about my final examination. What about your preparation? Well, I'm going on well my studies. Take the juice. I'm also worried about my exam. But tell me about your preparation in different subjects. You know, I'm weak in math. That's why I'm taking special care in English. I'm having a detailed revision in other subjects. Are you taking help from any special book? Yes, but I study textbooks very carefully. I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think? Yes, I think it will be very helpful not only for English, math, but also for other subjects. Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck. You are most welcome. Okay, Sarah, I should go now. Mom will be waiting for me. Allah Hafiz. I think I should sleep now. It was late at night.